Good Thursday morning. Whoa, I slept it in today till 7:30. It is kind of rainy, which is why I've got the Crocs and the jacket, but it's like we're under the trees, so it's not really that much rain. Yeah, I slept until like 7:30 and it's like almost 10 right now. Just had a chill morning and hopefully a chill rest of the day. It's another rainy one, but honestly those are some of my favorite days. So yeah. Rocky, come. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Where are you going? What are you doing? What do you have? Why are you going that way? Come on, this way. Rocky! Hi. Go ahead. Go for it. What do you smell out there? Good afternoon. I just took another nap. It felt amazing, but I felt like I needed to move a little bit. So we're on walk number 2 of the day. I keep trying to read my book and I just like right away. Why? Okay, so we're on the road at 4:40. Pop, no, it's 4:40. Nope, that's wrong.
Okay.
That's
I got
wrong.
an extra minute.
John says 30 minutes. Earl says, how long do you think?
Plug it into your car now.
Yeah.
What does GPS say?
He's just going to say 31
29 minutes.
29 minutes, says GPS.
Yep.
Okay, good.
But what do you think it's gonna be? Poppy.
I think it's going to be 30 to 40 if it's in Waterville.
So we'll find out. Watch out for the runner.
Well, what do you mean?
You didn't put it, it doesn't come up. It should come up.
You want to
So
know.
John, did we make it?
What?
Did we make it in time?
Did you see a beauty?
2 minutes to spare.
What are you gonna
I've
get?
driven around town a couple of times. Earl, great.
Ooh.
Put the light on it.
That go like this.
Use you. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's gross.
Bizarre spot for that. I know. Where have you been?
Wherever I have my neck.
Yeah. Like.